Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Hi Bees! Hi! Today we're gonna play Adventure, the Greenish Inferno thingy. Yeah. So let's get started. Yes. Yeah, so I'm gonna click here. Personalization, normal. Yes. Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? We can go to MT Shiver. When the ice meet me. Yes. I'm excited about this one. Sounds very cool. Okay, here's snow. Oh my god, what's snow? It's so cool when they show live films. Yeah. I feel so small. You're gonna follow the pathway. Follow the pathway. Yeah, to the phantom. I think we're gonna go here. Yeah, me too. There's three.
That is.
Wait. Should we go this way? I think we should go here. Yeah. I took three banana things. Yes, they need some banana things. No, I lost one to my head. Hearts, I mean. No, it's one of those again. I started all. Sorry that I don't see anything, but all people is in here now. Okay, we need to cross this. People. No! There we go. I'm so noobie. You're not noobie. We'll be back when I have gone up. Yeah, so I'm back now. Yep. Here's more. I guess I'm gonna die of this one too. Oh, gosh. I need to be so close to the microphone so I can hear. Wait. Oh no! They sound so cute! No, please. I told you guys. Oh. Chest. Come, chest, let us fix the games. Coming. Chuck, where's the chest? Here, come on, follow me. There. No, not here. Here is the chest. We have got these two. Here we can have these things. Oh, did I take them? Again. Look at me. Wait, where should we go now? I think here. Yeah. Maybe. I'm gonna die because I already lost all my... But here you go, these things. Yeah. Come over here. So that didn't work. So this lava can kill us, or what? Yeah, wait. No, can't. I guess. Oh, I died. I'm so... How do I say it? So... I suck at this, I mean... Are we back? No. It looked like the same as before. Sorry. Graham, I don't care. Here's the bombs. Oh, I got... thing. Don't know how to say it. Okay. So, should we take a tour? I don't know. Taking it now. Stupid phantom. Right here. In this place. So, yeah. Now, what is this? Oh, you can go here. Oh. Are we in a lava thingy? Mountain or something? Need so much. Believe it. I can't find anything. Oh, I can go here. Why? She don't talk because there's so many in her room that she's sitting. Oh my god, so annoying phantoms. Yeah, good. Thank you. Looks like a gear, is it? It looks like a gear fits here. Yeah, gear. But we don't have gears anymore. We will be back when we found all the 4 lava crystals. Oh yeah, I found out that when you kill the phantom, she gets this thing. Yay, I leveled up. Or we don't have any crystals yet, but I want to fill anyway. There. To open this thing. Maybe should. Yeah. And the other one. Yeah. One card. Ah, okay, took it. Yeah, anyway, we will be back. So Flake. She's called Flake now. Anyway, found a quirk, so I took it, and now I got one more crystal. Take it. Good. Now we're gonna find the last one. So, shoot it. I can take it. And the last one is here. Okay. Yeah, you can take that. Yeah, let's go. I wish you can talk. It's so boring when you not can talk. Should we face a boss again or something? Oh, not good. No. Yeah, my father called and she's still talking with her father. And I just want to continue, but I can wait for her. And we have record. What do I gonna say? 11 minutes now. Come up. And we're back in some weird place here. Oh my god, do you see that? You're like, only smile is. What do you have here? Oh, a normal wolf. Why don't we have any of that stuff? I know you can talk. So we're back. And I can finally talk, but I don't know if someone come back now. Hey, my dad is coming back. I don't know if he's gonna speak Swedish with me now. So I maybe not. You maybe not gonna hear me again. And I'm eating, I'll let you know. Yeah. Oh, I know where to use this. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna run up here and fix this pipe over here. Yeah, there we go. And what are we gonna do now? I'm gonna get more of these. Yeah, me too. If you heard my mom like, ha 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 ha, you can still hear your father, so. But I don't want them to like hear the Swedish words or what people in my family talking about and things. Yeah. Yeah, I don't do that. I'm just trying to. Yeah. It's okay. Oh, why are so much phantoms and stuff and. Because these adventures are all about phantoms and stuff. Yeah, all adventures are about phantoms. Oh, yeah, a chest. I killed a phantom and. No, I don't remember. I don't know how. Now we need to get this started. But how? Oh, there we go. Yeah, just kills the pink. There we go. And now we can go here. Oh, it's a going to be me again. Phantom pipe. Yes, I killed both of the phantoms. Good. Why are they named phantoms, I'm wondering. Yeah, that's not a really, like, important thing to know, so... Yeah, but anyway, what did they get phantom from? I mean phantoms. Like, just where did they get this from? Here you can go. Go here. You need to come here and plug in the cord. I'm so stupid. No, you're not. And I'm eating. Now I can go there. So where are we gonna go now? Here. Oh, I'm gonna go here. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm standing, so... What? I'm gonna die. I'm so ugly, I'm gonna die. No, just kidding. I'm so ugly, I'm gonna die! It's so funny, I'm gonna die! But, I mean... But you said... I have 3 phantoms after me. I saw that. No phantom! No phantom! Why are you coming here? Stupid phantom. Oh my god, this video is 16 minutes. And then I need to do the verification thingy. Right. What? Is this video 60 minutes? Yeah. So, continue exploring the volcano. Oh, we need to explore everything. That's not... I mean, all our other videos have been like 8 minutes. Yeah, and this one is like 17 minutes now. Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that you're gonna die if you did that. No, don't stand there. You need to go one... Yeah. And I died. You better run away now. I wonder if this is boring. This will be back soon. Yeah. So Greely has popped up. He told us to stay away, no? Go through the door and face the Phantom King. The Phantom King again? Gosh, I'm so like crazy. You need to face the stupid Phantom King. It's much bigger this time. For me, it feels like it's much smaller. What? Yeah, it does. Weird. When I go sleep, I like watch this video. Yeah, me too. No, you took them. I don't have any left. I found. So it doesn't do anything. Wait, are we filming? Yes, we are filming. Sorry, I never noticed. I never noticed when we're filming, so I just asked you, like, are we filming? Are we filming? Are we filming? Like Dory. What Phantom King? Die. It makes sense. Oh, I have a half-life. I don't... How can I have a half-life? I mean, a half... Not a half-life game, I mean... A half-heart. I didn't know you could get that. No, not me either. I think I need to die now. What happens if you die now? Okay, I died. Well, I have died one time and... Oh! You can still face it. Yeah, of course. No, I need more of that stuff. We need stuff right here. No, what happened? So many, we need to kill them. No, we can face the Phantom King without killing the Phantoms, I guess. Yeah, maybe. And I died. Well, Phantom King, don't you bounce yourself in the ground sometime? Thank you. And I don't have the green stuff, and I found the one now, and he died, and he flied up in the air, and I died. Oh. Finally. This has been the only bravest of Janus can defeat the Phantom King. Perhaps I underestimated you after all. Fail me. I did fail. So, what's happened? Oh, wait. 21 minutes. Go! Do not worry about me for once. Do as I say, please. Please. Then what do we do now? Seriously? Are we back here? What are we gonna do now? I'm just running, okay? Oh, we're gonna exit the volcano. Yeah, and where's the... Oh, a chest, I'm gonna take it. Let me do. So let me guess. Of course. I guess we're gonna run up here. Yeah, and this is... Then like... No, here, down here, I think. Okay. Yay, here it is! And what happened to Greely? She burnt out. I mean, he burnt out. He told us to don't care about him, I'm just kidding, but he actually said that. Yeah. Found the Cosmo. I need to read it. You made it. We're so worried. Blah, 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 blah. was able to make it out in time.
It's bedtime.
Okay, I'm gonna go to bed, but I think we finished this anyway. Wait, yeah, we finished it. Gonna see Greenie again? I got the spot bright thing. We're never gonna see him again. So guys, that was all for today. Yeah. All for this video. Yeah. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Sorry that I didn't speak so much. Yeah, sorry for me that's speaking so bad English sometimes. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.